Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Maths Limits and Derivatives Miscellaneous exercise question number 1 in that third subdivision. Let's see the question. Find the derivative of the following from the first principle. Using first principle, we are going to find the derivative of sin x plus 1. So here the given question is sin x plus 1. Let us take this to be, let f of x is equal to sin x plus 1. We know the first principle formula. So the formula here is f dash x. F dash is x is nothing but the derivative of f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula for first principle. In the place of x we have x plus h. So in the place of x substitute the value x plus h here. So f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 sin here x plus h plus 1. Instead of x we are substituting x plus h. So plus 1 minus sin f of x is sin x plus 1 by h. Now to solve this, it is in the formula of sin a minus sin b. So I am taking this as a and this as b. So sin a minus sin b formula is sin a minus sin b. This we have learnt in trigonometry. 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. This is the formula for sin a minus sin b. I am going to use this formula on the numerator. So f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 2 cos, here a is x plus h plus 1. So x plus h plus 1 and b is x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by 2 into sin the same way x plus h plus 1. Here minus means you need to write minus for both the x and 1 by 2. Now plus x minus x get cancelled. This 1 and 1 will get cancelled. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Now by h we have limit h tends to 0 2 cos, here we have 2x plus h plus 2 by 2 into sin h by 2 by h. We should not have a h while substituting the h to be the 0. The limit value when you substitute, you should not have a denominator h in multiply, because if you substitute 0 here it becomes the 0 on the denominator and everything will be not defined. For that reason we should not substitute 0 on the denominator when it is in multiply. Now to solve this, we have a sign formula as when limit h extends to 0. This we have learnt in limit sin x by x is equal to 1. I am going to apply this formula without changing the question. Here you see sin h by 2. If there is a h by 2 in the denominator, then the whole thing, when I substitute the limit, it becomes 1, because the angle and the denominator should be equal. But here we don't have a 2 in the denominator. For that reason, multiply a 2 and divide a 2 in the denominator. So 2 cos, here it becomes 2x plus 2 plus h by 2 into sin h by 2. Here denominator we can write it anywhere because it is in multiply. By I am multiplying a 2 and I am dividing a 2. So that there is no change in the question. Both get cancelled. So there is no change in the question. Now this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. We have taken this to this form. So while substituting the limit h tends to 0, now substitute the value of limit h tends to 0 in the sum. It becomes cos 2x plus 2 by 2 into this becomes 1 because of this formula. Now we are taking 2 common. This goes off. Now it becomes cos x plus 1. So sin x plus 1, derivative of sin x plus 1 is cos x plus 1. That's all with the sum. Thank you.